Good day to everyone watching the video. This is Bhavani from Batch 7 to explain my project with the team members Rahmat Nisha and Lokeshwari. The project is guided by Mrs. S. Sangita Mak, MS, Assistant Professor of our IT department, with project coordinator Dr. M. Rajesh Kamathar of our IT department. My project title is about prediction of liver disease using machine learning. I have used Anaconda Navigator in detection of liver disease, and I'll just go to Google and I'll download the Anaconda Navigator of the current version. After I have downloaded, I'll be getting in a toolbox, and after that, this page will appear. That is Anaconda Navigator with the other applications like CMD Access Prompt, Data Load, Jupyter Notebook, Command Prompt. These are the applications of Anaconda Navigator. After I go click on Jupyter Notebook, it launches about 2 to 3 minutes. Or if you have an advanced version, it will be taking up for about 5 seconds. And after that, this will be the page opening it. I have my coding in download. I have coded all the coding in code one. See, I'll be having the code one. I'll just go click on it. Uh, I'll be getting all the 7 modules of my project. Just let me give you an introduction about all the modules and I'll just be explaining the code. The first module MP1JP IPYNB. The first module is about data pre-processing. Pre-processing of data is nothing but I'll just be collecting the data from the hospital and I'll process the data, which is I'll be getting sorted in it, and if you have any null values or non-null values, I will be creating in it. After sorting it, I'll be like if it is a female or a male, I'll be showing off it. See, I'll be getting like this. The first module will be I'll just getting the data processed in DF columns and showing that what are the features, characteristics I'm using in my project. That are the inputs of the project will be age, gender, total bilirubin, direct bilirubin, alkaline phosphate, alanine amyloidosis, aspirate amyloidosis, total proteins, albumin and globin ratio. And the result will be the last and the final of my data set. And the data set will be stored in the form of CSV files, that is comma separated files. If I want, I'll be storing in Excel files, but I'll just go easy with it. CSV. These are the data. I just want to show it. What are the values and everything. If it is repeated values, duplicate values will be eliminated by using it. The column age. I'll just showing off it. Age, gender. See, I'm just showing off. This is my first module. Yes, I'm processing my data. That is converting my raw data into the processed data by using some of the modules or some of the packages like pandas, numpy, math, Seaborn, etc. And as I said that my data set will be in the form of CSV, comma separated values. This is my first module. If you want to run it, you just go on to cell and I'll just click on run all. If I'm clicking on run all, it shows an asterisk symbol. It takes few seconds to run to give the output. Uh, just let's wait for a second. I'll just go up and I'll do this. See? As I said before, it will be showing off. Fifth, it shows like in5 and out5. In5 is my coding. Out5 is my I have run the coding and what is the output? That is the out. And I'll just go on with my second module. Second module is about visualization, exploration of data visualization of and training a model by given attributes. It's just nothing but first I have processed the data, and the second model will be like processed data will be shown in the form of pie chart or a flow chart, um, subplot, like this will be shown to have the user in an easy identified way. way so that I can just easily point out whether the person is having a liver disease or not. Uh, this is my second module. I'll just go on with the third module. The running will be same. Just go to run and click run on. The third module will be like performance measuring. I have used four algorithms in my project. I have four modules with four algorithms. So I'm having my seven modules in it. First I mentioned seven modules. So I'll just go on in three. Logistic regression. It's just like regression again and again, repeating the process. If you want to run, it's just the same. Go to cell and run all. In As I said, this is the first algorithm. I'll just give a brief explain about it. See, I have just given the classification report, accuracy result, confusion matrix. I'll just be giving the values and getting the outputs with the help of the packages, modules, with the help of import and from Skylearn. This is the classification report of logistic regression results. All the four algorithm results will be shown in the same form with the different values because I'm giving different different algorithms like see, I have get, and I also, as I said before, the classification report, uh, weighted accuracy. This is also will be considering cross validation test results and accuracy results for logistics regression. And the fourth module, sorry, third module under second, it will be a decision tree. Decision tree as in the word tree will be in the form of binary with the root and leaf nodes, path. It will be like if you have disease yes, and if you're not having disease and no, there is a form of one and two. We will be having an axis of zeros in the form of row. I have to divide my data set, so I'll be giving the axis zero or axis one. But in my project, I'm giving one because I need in the form of rows and columns. These are the codes. As a in the before module, I have explained that I'll be giving the classification report, accuracy result, confusion matrix. This is the accuracy of the decision tree. Uh, then I'll go on with N5. That is that is random forest. Random forest is the collection of decision tree. We'll be having a decision tree, but with the collection of random forest. As the same, I have used pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib. Matplotlib will be like in the form of plotting it. I can show it in the form of characteristic features. So I'll be using Matplotlib. And as I said, if you want to run it, just go on, click on cell, and then run all cells in the form. So it will be like this. And I'll go on with next M6. That's my last algorithm. Support vector mission. Uh, Support vector mission will be like in the same of a combination of algorithms. It's an important algorithm. If we use one with it. Uh, Same with the four or three other algorithms. Nothing will be different because we will just be importing the packages and modules from the Python because Anaconda Navigator is a Python package. I'll go on with my last. I'll be getting all the inputs in the other six modules and be processing it in the different algorithms. And it's okay, I have trained my models. But I need to know whether the given whether I'm giving the inputs will be correct or not. So that's a deployment. I just click on it and here you'll be having the static template Flask deployment and I'll be clicking on Flask. Why Flask? Because Flask is a Flask is used for deployment. Flask is used for deployment because as I said before, I trained my data set. Now I need to know whether the inputs I'm giving or whether the inputs the user is giving will be have a correct output. So I need the class. Just give me a minute. I'm just trying to run on it, but having a time just give me a minute. Uh, yeah, sorry for the connection. Flask. Flask is a web deployment framework developed in Python. Why I'm using my Flask, as I said before, the input need and output. So it's also another reason is beginner friendly, because as I'm a project developer, so I need a user friendly or beginner friendly to have my work done easily, and it also doesn't have any dependencies on the code. uh, I'm sorry to mention it because the first module and second module will not have any connection with it. If you want each module, you have to run it by cell and run all this. So you don't have any connection with it. So and I'll start with my last module. As I given numpy n. Numpy will be in the form of we'll be having a string and we'll have in the form of array. We are using numpy as np. JSNOMPy, that is JavaScript orientation, sorry, JavaScript object notation, render plate and the pickle job. These are the tools and modules which will be used in the class for the deployment. Uh, and then index.html in the before slide, if I in the before page, I'll be showing in it because it will be having the background of the pic. After that, I'll just go. This last will be like run by kernel and restart and run all. The page shows restart and run all cells. It takes few minutes to run because kernel will have an input. See, it will be running on it. And the important is I'm using a port 5000. If the liver is affected, if a person is affected by using retained inputs and giving albumin, globulin ratios, and proteins, bilirubin and total bilirubin, if it is 1 and it is affected, if it is 2 and not affected, after running it, I'll be like getting this URL. I'll just go click on it. I'll be getting a page like this. I'll be getting a page. I'm just giving an input of my age, 21, gender, female. These are the reports. I'll just give an random to check it off. 24, 23, 37, 31. Direct bilirubin will be like around 62 I'm giving. Album 21. Alkaline phosphate will be like 44 and alum like I'll go with 30. I'll just go on predict. After that, I'll just scroll it down. It's liver affected. If I'm giving before input with with my age and my gender, I'm just getting the liver failure affected. If I'm giving some other input, let's go with name or age, male. I'll just give random inputs. I think will be like 83, 51, 41, 26, 37, and I'll be getting the predict. After scrolling down, I'll be getting like liver affected because the deployment will be like DFS is equals to 1. That is your liver is getting affected if you have the blood test reports like in the form of the inputs with the age and the male gender.